What's up guys, welcome to the channel. For those of you that don't know, my name's Jaime. I drive a bag 9th gen 2015 Civic Si. So in today's video we're going to be installing the Truhart Camber arms. I believe they're good for up to -3 degrees. I can shorten them, but I don't feel like doing all that today. I got the car jacked up already, so let's get started.
Crave you, pull you in, you're my muse. I know you love to be abused. I can show you off like a trophy, pull you in while you're on both knees. Let me show you the way, 'cause you're the only one I ever want to stay. I hear that you've been running, are you trying to escape?
Alright, problem number one guys, I was able to get this one out, but I broke my extension and I can't get to that one, so you gotta figure something out. Update, so I found a solution, but this shit is horrible. I have like no room to play with, but I guess it works. Okay, so we got the first one out. Wasn't too bad. Now I think this one, I don't think it matters which one goes where, but we're about to find out. Got the first one in. My legs are on fire. Let's get the second one in. The worst time to do this. Finally got both the camber arms in. Looks pretty good. I threw a 15 mil spacer on because I'm gonna throw the stock wheels back on because I have a bent barrel in the front. So let's throw them on and get to the alignment shop. All right guys, I'm on my way to the alignment shop right now. I just want to say a few things about the car. The car is a 2015 Civic Si, Rally Red. I've had the car about 3 years now. It's on full air ride suspension, airlift performance. It has a Password JDM gurney flap, Truhart Camber arms. That's about it. I want to go wide body. Kevman's wide body kit. We'll see. What do you guys prefer? Performance builds, stance? Let me know in the comments. And as for the wheels, I don't think I'm going to be running the Viennas for a while. They've given me nothing but issues. So I'll probably pick up a different pair of wheels instead. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since I got the alignment. I completely forgot to record. The alignment's not the best, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get an appointment at Best Tire Shop in Fontana next week. See if he's not completely booked. The rear looks pretty good. It looks kind of sunken in, so I need a bigger spacer if I'm gonna run the stock wheels. Let me know if you guys like the video. Comment down below what you guys want to see. You know, power build, stance build. What do you guys prefer? Static or bagged? Wide body? Let me know. Thank you guys. I appreciate it for watching. And for the next video.